Children, after doing the coloring activity, we will move on to the next activity of page number 21. Okay, this is number 4. Write true or false against each statement. I will read again, children. Write true or false against each statement. Children, now we can see there are 4 statements A, B, C and D. Against each statement we have to write whether the statement is true or false in the blanks. Now let us see each statement closely. We should eat clean food. Children, this statement is true or false? Yes, it is true. We should always eat only clean food. So, we will write true in the blank. T-R-U-E. True. Okay. So, the first statement, we should eat clean food, is true. Now, we will go on to the next statement. For good health, we should eat more of fried food. Fried food, children, is fried food good for health? No, so the statement is false. So we will write true or false? Yes, children, false. Okay, so take your pencil and write false in the blank. F A L S E. False. Now we will move on to the next statement. C. Milk products are good for our health. Is milk good for our health, children? Yes, this statement is true. It is not false. So we will write true in the blank. So take your pencil and write true. T R U E. True. Now, children, we will move on to the last statement, D. Fruits and vegetables are unhealthy. Children, fruits and vegetables are unhealthy. Is this statement true or false? Yes, fruits and vegetables are very healthy for us. So the statement is false. So take your pencil and write false. F A L S E against the statement. Children, I hope you enjoyed today's activity. Bye and have a nice day.